In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create HR documents in DocuSign. By the end, you'll have a reusable template that makes onboarding and HR approvals faster, more accurate, and fully trackable. Start by going to DocuSign.com and signing in with your account. Once you're in, look for templates in the top menu. Templates are the easiest way to standardize HR paperwork, so your team isn't rebuilding the same packets over and over. Create a new template by selecting New or Create Template. Give it a clear name like New Hire Packet or Policy Acknowledgement, and add a short description so colleagues know when to use it. Good naming conventions help avoid confusion later. Next, upload your HR document. Click Upload and choose the file from your computer. You can include multiple files in one template. Think an employment agreement plus a handbook acknowledgement, so recipients receive a single, organized packet. Now define your recipients and roles. Add roles such as employee and HR manager. If more than one person needs to sign, set the signing order so documents route correctly. For example, the employee could sign first, then the HR manager receives it automatically. Click Next to open the document editor. This is where you drag and drop fields onto the page. Place signature and date fields where signatures are required. Add full name and job title fields, and include any other necessary items such as salary or employee ID. Mark fields as required when they must be completed to finish signing, which helps prevent missing information. Before we continue, quick note: you'll find the DocuSign website link, along with mobile app download links, right at the top of the description so you can access everything easily. Set field options to control who can edit what. Make HR-only fields read-only for the employee, and make employee fields required so they can't be skipped. If certain fields should appear only when a choice is selected, like showing a bonus field only if bonus eligible is yes. Add conditional logic to keep forms clean and accurate. Configure the email details next. Set a clear subject and a helpful message, so recipients know exactly what the document is and why they're receiving it. Add reminders and choose an expiration date if you want the request to automatically expire after a set time. Review everything carefully, then click Save and Close to store your template. To send, go back to Templates, select your template, and choose Use or Send. Enter recipient email addresses. Double-check the roles and order, and click Send. That's it. Keep private data out of template names or messages, and you'll be set. Thanks for watching.